Today, you are going to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing in 2026. If you want to earn money online without creating your own product, without inventory, and without shipping, this is for you because affiliate marketing is one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly ways to make money online. But here is the truth. Most people fail, not because it does not work, but because they do not understand it. They post random links, they copy others, they expect fast money, and when nothing happens, they quit. So in this video, I will show you how affiliate marketing really works and how to build it the right way from zero, step by step. Let's begin first. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a simple concept. You promote a product or service, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You do not create the product. You do not handle delivery. You do not deal with support. Your only job is to bring attention and trust. Now, let's go deeper. Why affiliate marketing works? Because companies need customers, and they are willing to pay you for bringing those customers. So this is a win for everyone. Now, step one, choose a niche. This is the foundation. If you choose the wrong niche, you will struggle. Do not choose everything. Focus on one area. For example, fitness, money, technology, education, and/or lifestyle. Now here is the key. Choose something that people already spend money on. If people are buying, you can earn. Also choose something you can talk about for a long time because you will create content around it. Now, step two, choose your platform. You need traffic. Without traffic, there is no money. You can use platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or other social media. You can also use a blog or a website. Now, do not try everything. Pick one platform, focus on it, learn it, and then grow. Now, step three, join affiliate programs. You need products to promote. Many companies offer affiliate programs. You sign up, and they give you a unique link. This link tracks your sales. Now, step four, create content. This is the most important step. Content is what brings traffic, and traffic creates income. But here is the mistake. Most people try to sell too fast. That does not work. Instead, focus on helping create content that solves problems. Examples, tutorials, reviews, comparisons, guides. For example, if you promote a tool, make a video showing how it works, explain benefits, show results. Now, step five, build trust. This is critical. People do not buy from strangers. They buy from people they trust. So be honest. Do not promote bad products. Only recommend what is useful. Trust equals sales. Now, step six, add your affiliate link. Place your link in your content or in your description. Make it easy for people to click. Now, let's talk about traffic because this is everything. Without traffic, you get no clicks and no sales. So, how do you get traffic? Consistency. You need to post regularly. You need to improve. You need to learn what works. Now, let's talk about content strategy. Do not create random content. Create content with purpose, answer questions, solve problems, help people, make decisions. Now, let's talk about scaling. Once something works, do more of it. Create similar content, promote similar products, increase your output. Now, let's talk about time. Affiliate marketing takes time. You will not make money on day one or day two, but if you stay consistent, you grow. Now, let's talk about mindset. You need patience. You need discipline. You need consistency. This is not quick money. This is building a system. Now, common mistakes: promoting random products, no niche, no consistency, spamming links, expecting fast money, and quitting early. Avoid these, and you are already ahead. Now let's answer the big question: can you make money with affiliate marketing in 2026? Yes, but only if you do it right. Only if you stay consistent, and only if you focus. After this, you now understand how affiliate marketing works and how to start from zero, step by step, in 2026. Now, you have the roadmap. Now, it is your turn to take action because knowledge is not enough. Execution is everything.